Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to cover how you can just create a feed like YouTube with like YouTube Shorts. Yeah, so it will be like this.
By converting these
आप क्या करते हैं सर? एक क्रिएटर है,
Yeah,
चैनल का नाम नहीं ले रहा
we are
हूँ.
going to cover this feed.
by
Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we are going to use this library react-native-youtube-iframe for this, and for this we are going to first create the card. Okay, so
by converting these long videos in
here we are just going to create a react component. Hope you guys already know how we can do it. So just I am using this library here. After that I am managing a state like the playing and set playing, and just I am injecting some web scripts initial, so we can initialize the view of it. Basically, to make it the whole screen visible, you need to unset its bottom padding and the position and its container. Okay, so come to this component. So just I have created the ref of it, and from this screen basically I am handling all these things. Here I have taken initial some videos IDs for it, so I can just use it for my video. And after that, for going back from this screen, you can see here just I have given this back button, and after that I am using the FlatList from the React Native itself, and to make it like this
by converting these long
I have enabled paging, so at a time only one video should be visible. And after that, to control the things like one video is running, then another should on the pause for these things, and so we can track the which is the current focused video. Just I have configured the viewability config, and we are tracking it on the item is getting changed, so you can just check it the configuration here. So I have just passed it the if the videos like if the items 50% is visible, then we will trigger it. And after that you can check here how we are tracking. So just I am getting the viewable item here, and from the viewable item I am getting the index and setting the index to the other state. So here how I am managing the what is the current index it is visible. Okay, so this is the main screen parts. Now let's move to the component sections, which is more. Okay, so here just I have managed the some props. So basically all things are already mentioned in this documentation, so according to your need you can just explore it more and more and just pass. So just for the basic reference, you can take the reference from my video. Here just I am passing the height and width, so I am calculating this is like this from the dimension window, and to make it visible correctly on the screen just I am managing the 16:9 aspects. So here you can check how I am calculating it. Yeah, so after that just I am setting this content style. So for the like if you are scrolling it like this, then I can
आप क्या करते हैं सर? मैं हार्ट सर्जन. हार्ट सर.
this activity indicator, and here I am passing the 16:9 height as per the different, so it can be just vary with the different device, and it should be good with all of that. So just I am maintaining the aspect ratio, not passing the hard-coded height. After that, here I have passed the initial JavaScript, and just I have passed the allow inline media so it can be directly played. And this is the just version related thing for the Android type layer. It is already mentioned in the doc. And yeah, so that was the setup for this. And from the doc, if you want to explore it, so here it is already mentioned how you can install it. So just you need to install and add React Native iframe, or you can go with if you are using the npm, then you need to write just npm I, then React Native iframe. After that, yeah, for this you must need to install the WebView. As you know, this is going to use WebView internally, so WebView setup should be already in your project. After that, you can just check here. Just here I have mentioned, but I have not used it now, not used in this video. Like when the video state will be changing, like when it is the paused or it is playing, or for the different state, you will get it in this event. So you can also manage the things, like if you need to do something when video is paused, you want to track something, or you want to send notification or something else, or you want to show the toast to user, then you can simply do it here. Yeah. And if you want to give the button like manual button, just currently I am using the inbuilt buttons from the YouTube, so not required in my case. But if you want to configure it with your button, like you have to give something your own button, then you can pass it. And with the ref, yeah, main things, this is the ref for this player. And with the ref you can just handle everything, like but here is the ref, and with the ref you can just handle everything, because while playing video we will be having the every functions control over your ref. So you can just, like here I am using, if you want to get the duration, just you can use the ref current duration, you will get the duration of your video. If you want to like seek and something, do something, or playing pause, then you can do it like this. Yeah, so that's all for this video. If you are having any issue in your implementation or any doubt, let me know, I will help you. Yeah, thank you for the watching. Do comment, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned with the